I'm on platform 5. Whoa, man. Fireworks going mad. Look at it. Yes, bro.
How are you?
Bring it in. Nice one, man. I'm great. Hey, let's go.
20 quid each.
Air raid rockets. Perfect. Nice one. I'll get you back for that. How cool is that? It was on your desktop, wasn't it? Like this week?
Yeah.
Like the random Windows desktop.
Yeah, the computers know, man. They always know what you're up to. Yeah, it's such a mad design, isn't it? There's so many reservoirs in the UK and they don't all look like this.
So cool.
With all the different colours on the trees as well.
Yeah, like proper autumn colours.
Dope.
I want to be able to just carry some stuff a second because my camera's right in the bottom of my bag.
Sure.
My jumper is the main thing because it's like, I don't want to get that way. Lovely.
I got it.
That's where it is.
Don't worry. I imagine I just dropped that. That'd be such a dick move. Should have put it in the other hand.
Yeah, I'll put the point. Put on my hand. Just go head first.
Just dive down, yeah.
You got
The rocks aren't flat, so it's fine. I reckon we might be able to climb up. Oh, it's quite tall. Oh, it's slippy.
maybe around this side.
With a corner might help. People have done this before. Oh, with the bag on, it's hard.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty solid, so. Oh, mate, with the bag on, you're hench.
Yeah.
Go on, bro.
Next level.
Rate that. Rate that. Well fucking done.
The gloves, maybe, if we like took. Yeah, the gloves do help. Yeah, you nearly got it. Yes.
Ain't pretty, but I got it done.
Yeah, nice one, brother.
Nice on this GoPro, I see.
That's it, bro. Fist bump for that. Fuck. Oh, that's such a dope pick. Nice one, man. It looks like it's just a straight drop. I mean, it is obviously, but it looks like it's a straight vertical from where you're standing. Yes, mate. It's always so trippy, that.
I understand the high risk of fatality because the view gets better and better the more rush you take.
Yeah. And it gets more and more mossy. It's the moss that's scary because it's slippy.
You feel like vertigo kind of way.
Nice.
That's so mad.
It's filthy, isn't it? It's a filthy drop, bro.
Fucking hell.
There's a vape down there. That blue thing. They probably just threw it down. That step's about that big.
You can only fit 1 foot.
Yeah.
Oh, you got on your tiptoes.
You're standing like this. Oh, imagine that. That's disgusting.
I should have spoken, sorry.
Jeez. We're gonna see it. Hey! You're in the smoke as well. Mate, oh, you see the stick just dropped down? I think I got that on camera.
That's so mad.
Fuck yeah, bro.
That's so dope.
That was immense. Oh,
We said we were gonna come back and do it again when we first did it. Nice.
cheers, mate.
Yeah.
Yes, come on.
That was amazing.
That was amazing, mate.
fun.
Respect for getting the fireworks.
Real.
To show you the picture of the firework exploding in the air, literally got the moment like you can see where it was.
Show me the pump.
Yeah.
Sheesh. All the ferns are dead. Are they annuals?
Yeah, it must be.
Because they're all dead at the same time,
Do
innit?
you think it is a lack of sunlight?
Well, if it's an annual, then it's just, well, yeah, it could be. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. It's a bit windy. Woo-wee! In a cloud! Do you think there's caves underneath here like there was on the other edge? 'Cause look, it looks like it goes in. Right, we gotta get down there, innit? Yo!
That is so sick. That is actually such a sick.
Oh,
In a cloud. Woo! Flying. Yo. Mate, this is so sick. Oh, fucking hell!
oh, did you take a picture of that?
It's gonna go up this time. You didn't put it in the ground, did you? The wooden bit. It's better when it's on the ground.
What's this? I don't know. I hope it fucking goes or I'm gonna die. Oh my god. I shit myself, I thought it was gonna blow right there.
Another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This time I'm not gonna pussy out. It's just because of what happened up there, you know? Whoa! Oh, I barely saw it. It was like a little flash hit. The first one was better, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It exploded sooner, I feel like.
That's sick.
It's 420. Cloud territory, bruv. Strange lights in the fog.
Yeah, it's quite spooky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gives me that Halloween vibe.
Yeah, bro, it's very Halloween-y. That looks like a chanterelle mushroom. This is the steepest hill in England, apparently. Mad. It's not as steep as it was on Ben Nevis, so it's chill. That was so steep we actually couldn't stand up.
Yeah, but the reason we had to slide on Ben Nevis
Ooh, speaking of sliding.
was because it was just so like
Loose.
so loose. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. That is Mars.
Yeah.
I wish I could zoom in more, but that's most zoomed in. It's actually like well big, you know, it's so much bigger than a star, isn't
You
it?
can actually see the outline of it.
Yeah. I feel like you can. I mean, it might be an optical effect, but it looks like you can see the full outline of it. That's fucked up. That was funny though. I hope they're alright. They'll be fine. 4 more. We've definitely got to fire one off the dam.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Road.
No risk, no fun, mate.
Fuck's sake, dude.
All right, we're here. Green, blue, purple, and orange. Cool. 4 different colours. Derwent Dam, yeah?
Don't fucking damn. Yeah, it like bounced off the water, skimmed the water.
Did it? Did it bounce?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so loud. Holy shit. I think the last one, I want to fire that way, definitely. Yeah. Maybe the next two, but should we fire them both?
Yeah, fuck it.
Fuck it. I love that we're baiting it out so hard on where we're going to go. Literally, we're going to go. Yeah. Let's fire fireworks at where we're going to go. Bonfire night. Bonfire night, let's go!
All of today was so funny.
Yeah, mate, it was jokes, literally. What a jokes day.
The thing looks fucking gorgeous.
It does, doesn't it? So we set up in the wobbliest tree ever. Okay, let's see what happens when we sit in it. Put your arms down more. Oh my god, here it goes. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
That was fucking great. We made a tree collapse. Hey, that's another tick. That's another first.
That is fun.
I've never done that with my hammock before. So that spot probably won't work, I'm guessing, now.
Really? Nah, we can make it work.
Yeah, just put it back up. Let's push it back up, get it back in place.
The doggers are here. I just heard a woman scream and there's a car over there. This time bomb's killing me. What the fuck? The light's over there.
Hey, nothing like a trippy breakfast.
Yeah, never done this before.
Should I put a big one in?
Yeah, that's. I left that one for you.
Fuck it, let's go. Let's mix this shit in.
To bet you put fucking loads in.
Tripping on a trip, baby. Fuck yeah. Right, where we're heading?
This way.
Looks like turkey tail.
There's loads.
Loads of them, little ones. I think it's not turkey tail because I think there's one that looks like turkey tail that's little like that.
No, it looks like a thing. I don't know what thing this thing could be.
It obviously was a building at some point. It probably was someone's house, you know? I mean, there's so much here. It's easily enough for a house.
I don't think we've been here before, have we?
No.
I don't recognise this.
This is so cool. I love the cascading rocks with all the moss. This is so dope.
This is mad. It's really big, like.
Yeah.
For an old building, like, this is really big.
Yeah.
I wonder. I'm really curious now what building this is.
Whoa. Bro, there's a mushroom growing here.
That's fucking sick, mate. In this little window, there's a mushroom growing.
I'm gonna go through the window, fuck it.
Hey!
You win!
I did the ride.
Yeah. Well done.
The ancient ride. Mate, what a fucking place.
Yeah, this is cool. So much fun.
Yeah, me too, bro.
So much fun.
This is such a good trip.
So picturesque.
Mate, it's just so ill. Look, there's more shit here. There was like a whole village up here, bro. How cool is that?
What happened? Why did they all leave?
Yeah. Wow, mate, the surroundings. Fucking amazing. Fuck me.
That is cool.
Oh, it's like a domino, yeah. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 at least. Domino trees, that's so cool.
That is a ill picture.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I'm tripping so hard I keep forgetting to take pictures of shit.
Hey. Look at that good shit, mate.
Yeah.
Autumnal colours.
Trippy.
Trippy times.
It looks like there's layers of colour.
It looks like it's pulsating to me.
Yeah, it's actually kind of changing, so I think I'm just tripping. You can speak it and like it becomes true as well.
Yeah. Speak it into reality.
Oh, this is a bit slippy. Oh, I just said it! I fucking see every time I'm speaking into existence. Holy shit!
Bro, how did I catch that? That is mad.
Bro, you were horizontal. What the fuck?
Somehow my leg just went and then like, I was like horizontal and then went all the way back.
I just said speaking into existence and then I said slippy and you immediately slipped.
Yeah.
That was fucking mad.
Trippy.
Yeah, man. Oh. Oh, the arms, bro. Can you see now how you could do a full helicopter?
Yeah.
Do you see what I mean? If you
did it. All subconsciously.
yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Bro, this bit's really bad. I think we should go down. You didn't know you were an acrobat.
Yeah, I know, fuck me.
Today you discovered it.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't slip.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, nothing really matters.
Exactly.
You do nothing all the time.
Yeah.
Universe ain't gonna be like, nah, mate.
You can't do that.
What are you doing? You can't be doing that. Once you're dead, I would love to just be remembered.
Okay.
Have a legacy, you know.
Yeah, that's a really common one. I don't have that one.
I don't want kids. That's a weird thing, but I want to have like impact on the world.
Yeah, I get that. I get that. Yeah, no, there are lots of people who don't have kids, you know, who have impacted the world, and we still remember their name.
Yeah, when you talking about that thing where every single thing that's happened, like the perception of time is like, oh, I can't remember what you were saying.
Yeah, that every moment in time is happening at the same time.
So fun.
So when you realise that time is relative,
Yeah.
that's what it is. You realise that, hang on, there's not this objective timeline. It actually doesn't it literally does not exist.
Yeah.
Time is only for what you perceive it. Every moment in time that's ever happened, every moment in the past is viewable from an observer. You know that how like when we look at stars, we're seeing that star like 2 million years ago. So if you think about it, there's a place where you could see it 1 million years ago and 500,000 years ago, like a place in space where if you were there. So you see what I mean? So there's that, we call those observer points. There's an observer point for every moment in history, like all the time. You could be a place in space and it's 1987 on Earth.
Yeah.
In that from that place. Literally, if you could have a telescope and you could see Earth, you'd see people living in 1987. It's not like, oh, it just appears that way. If you could zoom in far enough, you'd literally see people who are dead now for us.
The book I'm reading right now is basically saying time is the fourth dimension.
It is. That's what Einstein says.
Time is like the one thing we can't fathom.
Space and time are definitely intrinsically linked because that's what was discovered with like the uncertainty principle. If you know an object's exact position, you can't know its exact speed, which is how it's changing with time.
Yeah.
But if you know its exact speed, you can't know its exact position.
That's so fun.
That's Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. You know how we talk about how we don't know how electrons move around atoms and stuff? You were talking about that earlier.
Yeah.
Because when you try and measure these things, first of all, they change when you measure them.
Yeah.
And secondly, there's literally physical laws that stop you knowing both the position and the speed at the same time.
So backwards.
I know.
It's so weird.
And how did we even discover that? That's what. The thing is, it comes out of the mathematics. It wasn't like physically discovered.
We're doing fireworks.